Hey you guys, in today's video we are going to be doing this look. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, I'm Caylah, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, and let's just get right into how I created this look. So on my brows I use Good Brow from Benefit. There's an eyebrow routine on my channel right here if you want to check that out. And now we're using my favorite base, which is the Essence I Love Stage. I almost forgot the name, is right in front of me. Eyeshadow primer base thing, and I love it because it doesn't dry down matte. I'm using it on the upper and lower lash line, lid, whatever you want to call it. Now we're using the Norvina Volume 2, which is so beautiful. It is so different. I love how they're lined up. We're using the shade C5, which is the it's like a deeper red. The camera made it look a little bit bright, but it's actually deeper than it looked. I'm using this Morphe blending brush, which is not available anymore, unfortunately, to create a halo, so I'm really hugging it in my eye. Use like a taper blending brush so you can get right into that socket and right in those inner and outer corners, and it works perfectly. Now these shadows are like not anything I've ever felt, and I really like these, and if you have time, go to Sephora and swatch them, because why not? And then we're going to take the shade D2, which is this bright neon orange, and we're going to blend out the red. So with these eyeshadows, I think that the best way to go is with a darker shade and then blend them out. I don't think this is like a user, like an everyday type of person like formula, because of the fact that it's so different. I have not felt anything like this, and it took me a few times to try to even get used to it. So definitely go swatch them and check them out at Sephora before you purchase them online. And then we're gonna go in with D4 and blend out D2 with this. I'm using one of these Alamar brushes from a trio. So yeah, basically this yellow is like the most perfect yellow I've ever seen in a palette. So thank you, Norvina, for that. Yes guys, we are still blending, and this is why I say I don't think this palette is beginner friendly, because of the fact, I don't know, like I feel like volume 3 might be okay for beginners because it's more wearable shades, if you want to say that, but these two first palettes are definitely more advanced. I don't want to say like, oh, you can't use them, because you can, but definitely just do some research. Do some research. I can't even say that word. You know what I'm talking about. Before you buy it, do your research. And now we're going to use this I Heart Stage base and do a spotlight halo. I'm using one of the Pop Beauty shadow brushes. I didn't like how I did this spotlight halo, but whatever. I haven't done one in a while, so I'm not trying to be too hard on myself. And now we finna take this shade in the palette, D1. It's like a gold. No, it's a blue with a gold reflect. So pretty. I have never seen anything like it, and we're gonna pop that right on the center. This is our spotlight. This is the statement. So we're gonna pop that right in the middle. And then we're going to use the shade C1 and pop that on our brow bone. And just like, you know, spoiler alert, I use this on my cheekbones too. Like, Mandy, thank you so much for suggesting that. Because, girl, it is lit. And then we took D2. Took some more of this beautiful orange shade. And we blended that blue gold into that red even more. So I'm just taking like a little pencil brush and just blending, basically. Now we are finally onto the face. We're using the Dermablend Hydro Blur Primer. Sorry, it's right in front of me, but I couldn't see it because I ain't got my glasses on. Just got home from work. But I really like this primer. It's hydrating, it blurs, it does everything you need to do, and it's pretty good. Now we're taking the Avon Magic's wand in the shade Chai and Latte, which, guys, that tickled me when I saw that in this video. I'm a Chai Latte kind of girl too. But these are really skin-like, and I really like them. They are like, they're pretty good. They look just like skin, and they're very easy to blend out. They have 20 shades, I believe. So definitely check those out. Yep, we still applying, we still blending, we still everything. So definitely hold your horses if we finna go into a new product in a second. Don't go away. Don't. I'm trying to get them 4,000 watch hours. So hard. Y'all, this concealer is so good. This is the First Day Beauty Bendy Avocado Concealer. Full coverage, does not dry out your skin. Full coverage, and did I say full coverage? Like, I love this concealer. Definitely check it out. Sephora, I see it there all the time. I need to use the rest of this powder. It's barely anything in there. It's a really good powder. I would have used something more heavy duty because I am using dewy products, but at the moment I just need to use this. And now we're going with Seychelles Wonderlush Blush from Buxom. My favorite blush at the moment. I cannot put it down, and the smell is so good. So check these out too if you can, because they are amazing. Y'all ain't ready for this highlight. We're gonna use some C1 in my Sigma F06 brush, and we finna glow. Like, look at that. And then we got a ColourPop type of lip gay. We got a ColourPop type of lip day. This is BFF2 liner, which is like the perfect nude. I need the one after this too. Excuse me, I like almost choked on air. But now we're using Pinkies Up, almost said blush, lipstick, and it's the perfect nude. Sorry, not sorry. Thank you for surviving me not being able to talk and getting tongue-tied. I hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial. I enjoyed you. Come back, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.